Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning to everyone. So, as usual, we begin a session with prayer doa for a non-Muslim on your own. For a Muslim, we begin with Wudu Kitab Al-Fatihah. Okay, so class, can you see what I'm sharing on the screen right now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, do you want me to explain the question from question number one? Okay, I'll just take one of the question and the rest you may try by yourself, right? Okay, so firstly, we're going to look into question number 1A. So in this case, unit vector, which means that it's a unit vector, which is a vector of P divided by modulus of vector of P. So to find this, we are going to find out, okay, vector square root of modulus of vector P equal to square root of 3 square plus negative 2 square plus 1 square. It is from 3, negative 2, and 1 here. Okay, so the square root of 3 square is 9, 2 square equal to 4, 1 square is 1. So the square root of 9 plus 4, 13 plus 1, 14. So this case here now, it is 3 divided by square root of 14i, and then minus 2 divided by square root of 14j plus 1 divided by square root of 14k. Okay, so I just recall, choose question number 1A. So question 1B and 1C, you may try by yourself. Right. Position vector. So when it comes to position vector, which means that it's a vector that starts from the origin point, the coordinate of O, which is 0, 0, and 0. So just imagine that it's a coordinate of 0, O, 0, 0, and 0 to one of the coordinate, which is 8. Okay, for example, we get this, okay, this one here, 0, 3, and negative 5. So from O to A, it forms a vector of A, which is 0, 3, negative 5. Okay, this is the sign of coordinate, and this is the sign of vector. Okay, the short form sign of vector. So from O to A, okay, this is a vector of A here, and O to B. Okay, B with a coordinate of 2, 1, and negative 1. So it forms a coordinate vector of B, which is 2i plus j minus k. Okay, O to A and O to B. So now let's find out vectors of BA. So BA, if BA so vector of BA. So let's say if I begin we call the journey from O to B and B to A, and another person of my friend starting from the point of 0 O to the point of A. Okay, so then OB plus BA equal to OA. Okay, now this BA equal to OA minus OB. OA, okay, just take this OA with 0, 3, and negative 5 minus OB. we got 2, 1, and negative 1. So 0 minus 2 equal to negative 2. 3 minus 1 equal to 2. Negative 5. Negative, negative, positive. So negative 5 plus 1 equal to negative 4. So now, to find this modulus of BA, modulus of BA, vectors of BA equal to square of negative 2 square plus 2 square plus negative 4 square. So negative 2 square equal to 4 plus 2 square equal to 4 plus negative 4 square equal to 16. And this is 4 plus 4, 16 plus 4 equal to 20 plus 4 square root of 24. So now unit vector which is negative 2 divided by, okay, square root of 24 which is, okay, square root of A times B equal to square root of A times square root of B. So then 24 just imagine that this is 8 times 3. 8 kali 3, 24. And then 8 is 2 times 4. 2 times 4 times 3. So then, class, square root of 4, which is equal to 2, right? So then, from here, square root of 4 equal to 2, and square root of 2, square root of 3, we simplify as 2 square root of 6. So now, 2 square root of 6i plus 2 divided by 2 square root of 6j minus 4 divided by 2 square root of 6k. Okay, so then the 2 divided by 2, 2 divided by 2, 4 divided by 2 here. Then you get negative 1 over square root of 6i plus 1 over square root of 6j minus 2 divided by square root of 6. So there is a unit vector of a vector BA. Okay, class, what is the formula of dot product or scalar product? Scalar product, scalar. P dot Q equal to, okay, can somebody tell me what is the formula of scalar product or dot product? Hello, anyone? What is the formula of scalar product? Hello?
Sekejap sekejap.
What is the formula of scalar product? Vector of P dot vector of Q equal to,
A1 B1
okay. No, look at this. Vector of P dot vector of Q equal to modulus of
modulus Q
modulus Q. Then, come on.
cos theta.
Good. Cos theta. Okay. And then from here, P dot Q equal to this one. Modulus of P, modulus of Q, cos theta. Okay. P dot Q first, which is, okay, we got 2, 4, and 1. And here we got 1, 1, and 1. So 2, 4, 1 dot with 1, 1, and 1. So 2 times 1 equal to 2. 4 times 1 equal to 4. and 1 times 1 equal to 1. 2 plus 4 equal to 6 plus 1 equal to 7. And then modulus of P, which is square root of 2, 4, 1. 2 square plus 4 square plus 1 square, which is square root of 2 square equal to 4, 4 square equal to 16 plus 1. So then 16 plus 4, 20 plus 1, 21. And modulus of Q equal to square root of 1, 1, 1. So 1 square plus 1 square plus 1 square, which is square root of 1 plus 1 plus 1 equal to square root of 3. So let's substitute all the values that we have here into this. P dot Q 7. Okay, it is square root of 21. This and square root of 3 from here. And cos theta. So cos theta is the one that we're looking for. Then here, cosine angle. So, okay, find P dot Q. P dot Q equal to 7. So cosine theta, cos theta equal to 7 divided by square root of 21 square root of 3. Okay, let's say class, you forgot something that we need to eliminate the square root sign from the denominator here. You just leave it the answers here. Hopefully, ketua pemeriksa dia terima jawapan begini. Okay, hopefully. But then, if you miss one step, might be you just only lose 1 marks. But then, it is now we multiply with the square root of 21, square root of 3, square root of 21, and square root of 3. And 7 divided by 20, square root of 21. Okay, square root of 21, square root of 3 times itself equal to 21 and 3. And also we have square root of 21 times square root of 3. Okay, and then square root of 21 equal to square root of 7 times square root of 3, right? Square root of 3. So 721 times 3. Then this is square root of 7 square root of 3 times another of square root of 3. So square root of 3 times square root of 3 equal to 3. 3 divided by 21. 3 divided by 21 equal to 7. So then 7 divided by 7 equal to 1. Finally, you get square root of 7 divided by 3. Okay, you may leave the answers in this form or this is the simplest one. Okay. Okay, so if U and V find the value of lambda, find the value of lambda if when U and V are parallel. So if U and V are parallel, which means that U, there's a constant of K with a vector of V. Okay, so then U is 2, -1, and 3 equal to K, V, -6, 3, and lambda. Okay, so now look at this. -6 divided by 2. -6 divided by 2 equal to -1/3. -6 divided by 2 equal to -3. So to to decrease this value, to kecilkan nombor ni, so that you get 2 here, which means that -6 divided by 3. And then negative become positive. So just like this, -6 divided by times with 1/3 negative. So negative divided by negative times negative, positive. 6 divided by 3 equal to 2 here. Okay, 3 times -1/3. 3 divided by 3 equal to 1 times with -1 equal to -1. So, what is the value of lambda? What is the value of lambda? Okay, so then make it 3 times with negative 3 here. Lawan bagi negative 1 over 3 is negative 3 equal to negative 9. So again, negative 9 times with negative 1 over 3. Negative and negative positive. 9 divided by 3 equal to 3. There you go. So what is the value of lambda? Lambda equal to negative 9. Okay, for question B, if U and V are perpendicular, perpendicular means there is a vector of U here and this is a vector of V. So, perpendicular form the 90-degree angle. So, U dot V equal to modulus of U modulus of V cos 90 degree. Class, can you please tell me what is the value of cos 90 degree? What is the value of cos 90 degree?
0, sir.
0. Okay, just refer to this graph of this. Costs begin from 0 or 1. Graph of cos theta starting from origin point or starting from 1. It's 1, right? Because starting from origin point is a sine theta. So cos start from here. Okay, and at this point, this is pi over 2 or 90 degree, and cos 90 degree equal to 0. So this is 0. So whatever value of this times with 0 equal to 0. So u dot v 2 negative 1 3 dot with times with negative 6 3 and lambda equal to 0. So 2 times negative 6, negative 12. Negative 1 times 3, minus 3. 3 times lambda equal to 3 lambda equal to 0. Negative 12 plus negative 12 minus 3 equal to negative 15. So negative 15, okay, negative 15 bring to the side become positive. Positive 15. So 3 lambda equal to 15, then lambda equal to 5. There you go. Okay. Okay, cosine angle. Cosine angle. From the formula of V1 dot V2 equal to modulus of V1 modulus of V2 cos theta, then cos theta equal to V1 dot V2 divided by modulus of V1 modulus of V2. Okay, and cos theta equal to 1 over 3. 1 over 3. So now we are going to find out what is value of positive lambda according to the question here now. Okay, so V1 dot V2, which is 6 3 negative 2 dot with negative 2 lambda and negative 4 equal to divide by modulus of V1 square root of 6 square plus 3 square plus negative 2 square, and also square root of negative 2 square plus lambda square plus negative 4 square equal to 1/3, 1 over 3. Okay, so 6 times negative 2, negative 12. 3 times lambda plus 3 lambda. Negative 2 times negative 4, positive 8. Divide by square root of 6 square, 36. 3 square, 9. Negative 2 square equal to 4. And then negative 2 square equal to 4 plus lambda square plus negative 4 square equal to 16 equal to 1 third. Okay, so negative 12 plus 8, negative 4. This one 36 plus 4, 40 plus 9 square root of 49. And 4 plus 16, 20 plus lambda square equal to 1 third. Okay, so now it is now, sorry. Okay, so we got negative 4 divided by square root of 49 and square root of 20 plus lambda square equal to 1 third. So cross multiply 3 times negative 4. Wait. Negative 12 plus 8 equal to negative 4. I forgot this 3 lambda plus 3 lambda plus 3 lambda. So negative 3 times negative 4, negative 12 plus 3 times 3, 9 lambda equal to all this times with 1 square root of 49 and square root of 20 plus lambda square. I forgot something, class. Because square root of 49, I just can replace it with 7, right? And replace it with 7. I replaced it with 7 here. So now we are going to eliminate the sign of this square root sign by squaring both left and right. Okay, so negative 12 squared, 144. Negative 12 times 9, negative 108. Another negative 108, negative 216 lambda plus 81 lambda squared. 7 squared, 49. And then this one clear between these, then you get 20 plus lambda squared. So 144 minus 216 lambda plus 81 lambda square equal to 49 times 2, 98. 980 plus 49 lambda square. Okay, now, 80. Okay, if I bring all this, okay, 144 minus 216 lambda plus 81 lambda square minus 980 minus 49 lambda square equal to 0. 81 square minus 49 square equal to class 81 square minus 49 square equal to, come on, hello, anyone? Class, hello, hello, hello. Số gần định có số cái này.
Tiga dua.
Pardon? Berapa?
Tiga dua.
Okay, 32. 32 lambda square. Okay, this one. And then minus 216 lambda. 144 minus 980.
Negatif 836.
minus 8 836 equal to 0. Okay, this is a big number here. You may use a calculator. So please tell me, what is the first lambda? What is the value of first lambda here?
9.5.
9.5, or in density fraction dalam bentuk pecahan
19/2.
19/2. Another one,
Negative 11/4.
so are we going to take both of these as our final answer?
No.
Okay, so it's only lambda equal to 19/2. There you go. Okay, now vector product class. If you look at this, scalar product or dot product, so vector of P dot vector of Q, the result is scalar. And also this one, you will get one value. One value is not a new vector. So that's why we call a scalar product, scalar. Now, vector product. So which means that operation between A cross B, you will get another vector of a new vector, which is I, P, Q, and R, a new vector, which is this is the normal of the vectors of A and B. For example, if we have A, from A to B and A to C, A to B and A to C. So this vector is a 90-degree of vectors of n, which is 90-degree from AB and 90-degree from AC. So, again, the cross product is a process where you will get another vector, a new vector, and that new vector is a normal to the equation here, to the process here. Okay, so vector of A cross B equal to I, J, and K. So vector A first, A we got 2, -3, 1. 2, -3, 1. And then B, 1, -4, and 5. So we are going to come up with one by one, I minus J plus K. Okay, so this is positive, positive, negative, and positive. So what are we going to fill in here? So for element of I, we are going to hide the element of I here. So what you see here now, we got -3, 1, -4, 5, -3, 1, -4, 5. Okay. For J, we are going to hide the element of J. So what you see here now, we got 2, 1, 1, 5. 2, 1, 1, 5. And then for this, clear again. And for element of K here, we hide the element of K inside. So what's left here now? We got 2, -3, 1, -4. 2, -3, 1, -4. So then, okay, so it is now -3 times 5, -15, minus 1 times negative 4 equal to negative 4i minus 2 times 5 equal to 10 minus 1 times 1 equal to 1 j plus k, okay, 2 times negative 4 equal to negative 8 minus negative 3 times 1 negative 3 k. So negative times negative, positive negative 15 plus 4 equal to negative 11i. 10 minus 1 equal to 9 minus 9j. Negative times negative, positive negative 8 plus 3 negative 5k. Okay, so class, if I make some adjustment, let's make now with B cross A. What will get then? A cross B equal to negative 11 minus 9 minus 5. Or B cross A. What is going to happen then? You will get exactly the same as this. But the only thing here now is the new vector of n, which is positive 11, 9, and 5. Opposite. Why? Because between vectors of A and B here, you will get a new normal. The difference is either the normal moving upward or moving downward. So this is a normal moving downward that we have negative here. So B cross A will get a we got normal moving upward, which is positive, right? And for this one, you may try with the same process of this and the unit vector. Please refer to the previous solution of question number 1 and question number 2 earlier. Okay, so I think that this is the last question that I chose in this discussion here now. So now, where's the vectors of A, vector of B, and vector of C? Okay, so if from O to A, which is 1, 2, 1, and then coordinate of B 2, 4, 3, and coordinate of C 6, 6, and 6. So OA, OB, and OC. So AB cross AC, AB dot AC. So from O to A to B equal to OB. From O to A plus A to B equal to OB, where AB equal to OB minus OA. So we refer to this vector OB, which is 2, 4, 3, minus OA 1, 2, 1. So 2 minus 1 equal to 1. 4 minus 2 equal to 2. 3 minus 1 equal to 2. And then AC from A to C. So from O to A to C equal to O to C. OA plus AC equal to OC. So then AC equal to OC minus OA. OC, refer to the question that we got 6, 6, and 6 minus OA, which is 1, 2, and 1. So now 6 minus 1 equal to 5. 6 minus 2 equal to 4. 6 minus 1 equal to 5. So this is a C and this is a B. AB, oh sorry, nombor digelap apa warna digelap saja. Okay, AB and AC. So now AB dot AC, which is 122 dot with 5, 4, and 5. So 1 times 5 equal to 5, 2 times 4 equal to 8, and 2 times 5 equal to 10, equal to 5 plus 8 equal to 13 plus 10, 23. Okay, so what about AB cross AC? AB cross AC, then we got I, J, and K. Then we got 1, 2, 2, 5, 4, and 5. Okay, class. The same process with this one. With this one. Can you please tell me what is the answer of AB cross AC? Please find it for me now. Class. Hello, do you hear me? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you please find it for me? AB cross AC, just like in the solution of question number 9A yang saya tunjukkan sebentar tadi. Okay. Find out for me now. AB cross AC. Come on. Any of you? Okay. 2 times 5 equal to 10 minus 2 times 4 equal to 8. For I, okay, for I minus 1 times 5 equal to 5 minus 2 times 5 equal to 10. J plus with K, 1 times 4 equal to 4 minus 2 times 5 equal to 10. K. So which is AB cross AC equal to negative, okay, 10 minus 8 equal to 2. 5, okay, 5 minus 10 equal to negative 5. And then with negative outside here, it becomes positive 5. And then 4 minus 10 equal to negative 6. There you go. Okay, so AB cross AC equal to 2I plus 5J minus 6K. So the nearer angle BAC to the nearest degree. B, okay, BAC. BAC here. So I got angle of BAC. Okay, so we are going to use the use this product rule. Okay, so BAC we use the AB dot AC equal to modulus of AB dot AC cos theta. Okay, what is the value of AB dot AC just now? What is AB dot AC? Kelas saya dah hilang sabar lepas ni. Memang kita kelas face to face je lepas ni.
2I 5J negatif 6K ke saya?
Kalau saya marah, setiap kali marah hukum nak balas, mana-mana kita kelas face to face, tak ada dah online dah. Okay. So AB.AC yang awal tadi apa dia? Jawapan dia tadi.
2I yang awal
Apa jawapan AB.AC yang awal tadi?
23 sah.
Okay, 23 equal to okay, AB is 1 square plus 2 square plus 2 square square root of AC 5 square plus 4 square plus 5 square and then cos theta. So then cos theta equal to 23 divided by 1 square, okay, 2 square equal to 4, 4, 1 square root of 4, 4, 8 plus 1 equal to 9, and this one 25 plus 25, 50, 66. Okay, and theta equal to arc cos of 23 divided by square root of 66 and square root of 9 equal to
19.3.
19.3. Okay, so the nearest degree, which is nearest degree equal to 90 degree. Okay, 90 degree. So that's all for today. We shall think that this question number 12 is the last one for our discussion for this morning. So that's all for today. Thank you very much. Enjoy your weekend. We will meet again. Okay, so we're at the end of our session now. That's all.
Thank
Assalamualaikum
you,
warahmatullahi
sir.
wabarakatuh.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, welcome.